Hello everyone, this is Tory Ivory with Phillips Chevrolet. We're located at 17730 Torrence Avenue in Lansing, Illinois. We are the #1 Chevy dealer in the state of Illinois. I'm with Miss Belinda here. She came in today and she asked me what service was, and I kind of took a look at her vehicle and I was like, it's time for a new car, what you think? She said, let's go give it a shot. What you leaving in today?
A 2018 Chevy Cruze.
There it is. She's part of the Phillips team and the #1 Chevy team in Illinois. How did we treat you today?
Real nice. I'm very happy and pleased.
There it is. Come see Troy, Phillips Chevrolet, 17730 Torrence Avenue.
Ask for Troy.
There you go.